What's up, YouTube and everybody in the HVAC community? Making one last video for 2014, coming into this new year. But what we have here, I have a Goodman unit that is 1 year old. And what was originally taking place was it was throwing a break on the inside. So when I disconnected the compressor and would turn it on, the fan would run, so that automatically made me go to my compressor and say that the compressor was defective. Now on this particular compressor, what I did was I did the scratch test where you would check for continuity between your compressor terminals and ground to see if you would come up with anything, and I checked my windings for resistance, and I was getting readings between each of my windings, and it wasn't, when I did my continuity test, it didn't go or sound off as if it was grounded. So I talked with Ralph from TNN, and he was saying that sometimes that could occur, because I called him, and me and him was just discussing this particular problem, and he suggested I get a mega. But so I went ahead and did that, and with the mega ohm tester, it confirmed exactly what we had originally discussed, that the compressor had grounded itself, or the insulation had worn within the compressor. Because I was saying, by the compressor only being a year old, it was manufactured in 2013 and installed in 2013. A year later, the compressor went out. So let me show you using this megaohmmeter exactly my readings that I found. Now connecting to the chassis, and then connecting to my alright, so I have my start winding connected and my common wire connected onto the frame of the condenser itself. And as you can see, it immediately reads bad. Now I'm going to go ahead and check my run winding next and see if I get the same reading. And it's reading bad. And I'm going to check my common as well. And my common is reading at 1,000 mega ohms. So my start and my run windings are my bad terminals, but from my common, I'm getting 1,000 mega ohms. So this just goes to show you what another tool in your arsenal can help you along your way of troubleshooting. Because like I said, just using my meter, I was getting resistance between my common and start, my common and run, and between my run and start windings. And then from each terminal to ground, it wasn't a sign of continuity wasn't being shown, but I still had a problem. And only with this tool, or a tool similar to this, can you actually test the insulation of your windings and determine if that's truly the problem. So I just wanted to make a short little video showing what the M500 Mega can do. And I just got this actually yesterday. Ordered it online.